August 29th, 2025. It's a good example of how many hummingbirds I have now. They're really on these two feeders here that you're looking at, hanging off the chains. Probably at this point, maybe 30 total. Usually have about 40 to 50 the last 3 years. I've been here 5, so this is my 5th year. It's come down this year a bit, but you know, with mortality and all the travel they do, it's amazing what they do. So really got a good amount. Happy with this. Focus through this window's going out just a little bit. That's my favorite feeder right there. You can really see them close here. They all pick, you know, what they like. Wait a minute. There's the old man. That's a face made for radio right there. So, wanted to share. Might be about a 2-minute video, but this is the most I've seen this year. So, it won't be too long. It's cooling off. It's still going about 85, 87 in the day, but down into the mid 60s at night. And it starts cooling off just a little bit. And, you know, I may have had some left, and the ones from up north are coming down here, and they make a stop here. You never know, but I'm keeping all the feeders clean and keeping them full. They're doing really well. Yep, they've all gone off that one. All right, that's about it. They pretty much have fueled up, and they really like this one right here. It's on the end. So they gang up on this one a bit. You guys take care. Old man doing stuff down here in Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama, August 2025. Enjoying life and enjoying the hummingbirds. We're out here.